How you doing? Greg here again. How many of you, like myself, used to be a cologne person and sort of fell off the radar due to these cheap Axe sprays and all these other body sprays that they've come out with? Pretty convenient. You can go to Walmart or anywhere and pick up a damn spray. It's going to last you a while. It smells pretty decent. Better than nothing. Well, I got tired of that, so I was doing some research online and I saw a couple things, but I ended up going with a company called Scentbird. Now, I've seen some reviews on it, some good, some bad, some so-so. I've seen some really good ones. I forgot the name of the other company, but this is like a monthly subscription. So I just got my package in the mail. Let's see if I can still flick my knife. Oh yeah. So I just got my package in the mail. It says Scentbird right there on the front. Right there. Scentbird on the bottom. See it? It's a nice package. It's padded. Let me get my trusty glasses out. So, like when they have an app. I didn't create my app and I didn't download the app until after I created my profile. But they have like a questionnaire and stuff like that, and what kind of smell you're into and stuff like that. And a lot of the smells now are very fruity, and I mean, if I wanted to smell like a fruit salad, I just dump a thing of orange juice on my head. But I grew up wearing cologne. I can remember my first bottle of cologne. God, must have been, had to be fucking English leather. English leather, I think it was, and then Brut 33 or something. But my very first real cologne that I wanted, that I really liked, was Pierre Cardin. After that it was Gray Flannel, then Paco Rabanne, a couple of the classic smells. I still like the Pierre Cardin, the bottle, remember that? But I decided to go with this, Scentbird. I'm gonna open up this package and see what I got. Just trying to, man, I wish I could have qualified to get surgery on the eyes, but for some reason I don't qualify. I don't know why. Let me open this up. Maybe I don't need the knife. Be good if I don't need the knife. I don't need it. So like I said, this is $15.95 I think it's $15 a month, which is pretty good. My scent, which I got this time, well, actually what I was saying is, as I was online on their website, they asked me what I was looking for. I get a little questionnaire. And it's coming towards Halloween, so I wanted more of a wintry smell. So I've come out with what they sent me, which is something from that. Your fragrance this month is Commodity, Wolf from Commodity. Never heard of them. Supposed to have lavender, cedar. They give you a little card of what's in there. Lavender, cedar, amber, You know it's bad when your fucking glasses don't even work. I don't know if it's because it's dirty or just my eyes are not gonna get better. Amber, musk and bourbon vanilla. I was hoping there was sandalwood in there. I do like sandalwood. This woodsy fragrance this woody fragrance captures the warmth of a perfectly cozy sweater like cashmere. It provides the pure indulgence of soft, sensual textures, caressing the skin with notes of rich amber, blah blah blah. Wool from Scentbird. How to use spray. Twist to spray, twist to close. Pull out, blah 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 blah. The cologne you pick should make you feel good. Confidence comes across more than... Yeah, so I definitely, I am a cologne lover. It comes in a nice little pouch. Okay, let's see. Okay, how the fuck do you get it out of there? Oh. Look, you twist. Oh, wow, that's real cool. Look, you twist the bottom and it comes out. So it says right here, Scentbird. And then how do you get this bitch out of there? Huh. Twist and then pull, I guess. Oh, here it is. There it is, wool. This is supposed to be a 1 month supply. We'll see. It's bigger than a sample bottle. I actually like this. Wow. I'm going to give it a spray right now to see how wool smells. Ooh. Whoa. Wow. Wow, I only used one spray. It smells freaking good. I never even heard of this company. Commodity? Wool by Commodity. Smells real good. Hopefully these are real colognes. I'll find out if the fucking smell wears out in fucking 10 minutes. But yeah, so Scentbird. Apparently 15 bucks a month, auto ship, auto pay. After this runs out, I'll be sent a different fragrance that will last another month, which is cool. Being a former cologne connoisseur growing up in Brooklyn, New York, we always had to smell good. Certain things we had to learn to do if you ever wanted a girlfriend. So yeah, I think Scentbird, so far I like it. It's cute. Came on time. Good delivery service. Nothing wrong with the product. Got some kind of gift card here from something, and I'll never use it, but I'll give it to somebody. But yeah, hopefully the Scentbird thing works out. Smells pretty good. Anyway, that's it on the Scentbird. Let's see if I can. You can cancel any time, but I'm gonna give it a couple months. See what they sent me. See what they sent me. I've lost track of all the colognes out there. If I was to buy a bottle of cologne, I'd be buying some old stuff, not Pierre Cardin. I'd probably buy something like maybe something from Burberry. I like Burberry brands, or some other popular brand I'd buy from. But there's a lot of good brands out there that nobody knows about, and well, I guess people know about that I don't know about. So let's see what happens with the Scentbird. Okay, so far so good. I'll be back in a couple months, give you an update on the Scentbird and see how it goes, if I cancel or whatnot. And that's about it. So thank you for tuning in, and take care, subscribe, and that's all I'm going to do today. I'm out. God bless.